Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to make paprika chicken in your air fryer. So you may ask, what's the big deal about paprika chicken? Well, paprika chicken is of course the main seasoning that goes into this recipe, but what's amazing about it is you have lovely moist chicken because the main ingredient is actually mayonnaise. You're using mayonnaise to make your marinade with that you smother all over your chicken, and it makes it so yummy and delicious. It's just perfect. So for ingredients, sorry, wrong way around. So then chicken breast, we've got extra virgin olive oil, some lemon juice, smoked paprika, garlic puree, and then obviously the mayonnaise that I've been talking about as well. I mean, it's just a brilliant little mix of ingredients, and it's so easy to prep. And of course, I prefer to mix the ingredients in a bowl beforehand. So move your chicken out of the way, get yourself a little bowl out or whatever works for you, and then grab that mayo. That's a good portion of mayonnaise to use in this recipe. And then we're adding in smoked paprika, garlic puree, lemon juice. I always worry that I'm going to add too much, so I often use the lid as my measuring device. And then the olive oil. You only need a little bit of olive oil. It helps with the texture of the chicken and makes it taste oh so yummy. And then once you've added in your ingredients to the bowl, quick mix. It'll have a lovely colour to it because of the paprika. And there, look at that. Isn't that brilliant? So now you've got your mix for your chicken. It's all about assembling it. So I'm just going to put the lid back on my garlic puree. Move my seasoning ingredients out of the way, and then we can focus on the actual chicken. So of course, as I mentioned, some salt and pepper. I prefer to do it like this, where I've got the paper liner over the plate, because then the plate keeps it in position and stops it flying about. And then of course, this is my pack of chicken. So you can do as much or as little as you want. I've got two really big sized chicken breasts here, and these are going to be perfect. So then I can use the other ones towards another recipe. And then I'm just going to quickly wash my hands. And then you want to start with salt, pepper, and then you want to start spooning on your marinade. Give it good dollops. Good dollop on each. But notice I haven't actually touched the chicken with the spoon or the bowl, so that I can use it for the other side. So now you've got the chicken there, you can use your hands to get it everywhere. And then make sure you've got it everywhere. It's a really thick, creamy one because of the mayo. And you know, if you're on diet, you can use diet mayonnaise for this. So you can keep the calories down, because the original version without the mayonnaise would use cream. So this is a great alternative to this for the air fryer. So I'm just going to give my hand a wash. And now we can get it on in the air fryer. So as you can see, this plate has been brilliant to stop the paper liner from moving about. And then open up your air fryer. And then what's amazing about these paper liners is that you can use them as your handles for placing food in and out the air fryer. So then it's ready to go in. And we're going with 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 15 minutes, because then we can flip the chicken over and add the rest of the sauce. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped! So, shall we check on the paprika chicken so far? Turn it over and add some more of the gorgeous flavoured mayonnaise. And wow, this is what your chicken looks like so far. Doesn't it look amazing? So now what you want to do is you want to grab it, turn it over, and then once you've turned it over, you can season, flavour the other side. Note that it does stick to the paper liner a bit, but that's fine. You're still avoiding most of the mess in the air fryer, which I'm sure that'll be your target. So for timings, bearing in mind this chicken has done 15 minutes. A small chicken breast would take 15 minutes. These are not huge. So I'm going to give it another 8 minutes and then see how it's doing for its cook time. But if you look now, we've reapplied the mayo on the other side. It's ready to go back on. And then we're looking for 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit again. And a cook time of 8 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So shall we check on our paprika chicken and see how it's doing? Oh, wow, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? In the air fryer. Obviously this has got a mayonnaise sauce, but you can do any that you want in the air fryer. And like I've mentioned, those paper liners are fantastic because you can just grab them like this. It's just a fantastic way to get your food in and out the air fryer. And of course, you know, throw it out when you're done and you've got a relatively clean air fryer, depending on if anything's dribbled out your paper liner, of course. So that's one of them. And that's the other one. Oh, and wow, don't they look moist? So I can't wait now to allow them to cool down for a minute or two, and then we can slice into them and see what they're like. So the chicken's had a chance to cool down a bit, so I can slice into it and show you what it looks like. I mean, oh wow, it's just so tender and moist. Just look at that, how much it's falling apart as soon as I slice into it. Look at that. I mean, that is amazing. I mean, look at that. That is perfect to cook chicken. So, try a little bit, shall I? That chicken is so good. And if you've not done chicken in the air fryer yet, or used it on other meats using mayonnaise, then you must. Mayonnaise, favourite seasonings in a bowl, mix it together, throw it all over your chicken, cook it in the air fryer, and it's as simple as that, and it's just so nice. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.